How to search Telegram groups. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, all you have to do is launch the Play Store application and search for Telegram. Now as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Telegram. So just tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account as soon as you get into the user interface of Telegram. Now, in order to search for any Telegram groups, what you have to simply do is tap on the search bar over here at the top right corner of the screen. Then here, you can just search for any of the groups by typing on their names like this over here, and you'll be able to see the groups over here. You can see the number of members that are there in the group as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.